Hello, my friends. How are you today? Super. My friends, today we have to figure out, how do oranges come from? Do you know where the oranges come from? What is the first thing we need to have orange in our house? The first thing we need is the seed, okay? We need the seeds. With the seeds, we are going to sow in the seeds on the soil. With the rain and the sunlight, the plant starts growing. Once the plant becomes a beautiful tree, after a while starts growing the oranges. The farmer goes to that tree and pick up the orange. He chooses the good one. This orange goes to the supermarket, where we can go, choose the ones we like, and buy. With the oranges ones in our house, what we can do? A delicious, what can we do? A delicious orange juice. Okay? Okay, my friends, have a nice day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.